here we have it, day 4 recap. And reminder for me, just as much for you, the principles I'm following: intermittent fasting, keto diet, exercise. So again, managed another 18-hour fast, which I am incredibly happy with. I did feel a bit hungry this morning, but I drank kind of 500 mils of water and had my filter coffee, and that seemed to dampen down that craving. So I'm glad I didn't act on that craving. So the window again was, let me get this right, 6:30 p.m. to 1:30 p.m. And I'm not even like feeling hungry in the night. So something's definitely working. I'm really happy with that. Exercise wise, 7,000 steps. It seems to be my norm. And I done 2 lots of rebounding today because I knew I was going to be stuck at my desk working for most of the day. So I made an effort and done 2 of my rebounding workouts, and I felt better for that. It is hard work though. Water and I was going to say coffee limit, but I'm not really supposed to have a coffee limit. But water limit more than exceeded today. It was over 2 litres. Coffee, I just had 1 mocha pot of a filter coffee, mainly because I'm running out and I need to go and do some shopping to get another one. But that was more than enough to have the caffeine stimulant effect, which I was looking for. So yes, achieved. Lunch I didn't have much time for, so I went for the quick win of 2 eggs scrambled with bell pepper, spring onion, mushroom, garlic, black pepper, some other herbs, can't remember which ones, and then I sprinkled seeds and crispy onions in this, and it was really tasty and took about 5 minutes to make. And for pudding today, I had one tiny little square of 85% dark chocolate. And it was the most amazing small square of chocolate ever. I really, really enjoyed it. I'd love to know what your go-to luxury treat is. Please pop it in a comment below. Mine definitely was that tiny little bit of dark chocolate. I ate it so slowly and savoured every moment. It was amazing. Dinner, super simple. I had some no carb noodles, they were really nice. Half a packet of stir fry vegetables, just cook that with some sesame oil, and almost forgot sesame oil, soy sauce, added some chili flakes, and was supposed to add tofu, but my tofu was 2 months out of date, so that had to go in the bin. So I had cashews and sunflower seeds on top, Greek yogurt, my go-to dessert, and some almonds in that as well. And there's a couple more snacks that I need to eat today to get me up to my macro limit for the day. Lovely. So as you can see, my AI chef has come up with a couple more snack options. It's not going to kick it for me. So I'm going to go back to my AI chef and ask him to redesign those snacks, because that is not going to cut it for this evening. But as you can see, updated macros, I have stayed well within my limit today. And the biggest benefit that I've had is that my body is now in ketosis. I will spare you a photo of my urine strip analysis, but take it as a given. My body's in ketosis, and what that means is my body's switching to burning fat for fuel, which gives you steady energy, fewer cravings, sharper focus, better metabolic health. So 5 huge benefits. No meds, just my body is starting to work smarter, which is amazing and what I want to continue. So that's it. Day 4 summary in the bag. Very happy with that. Love having you along on the journey. If you want any help at all, please do reach out. I love helping people. I love educating people. So that is my happy place. If I can help in any way, please do get in touch below, and see you on the next video.